Navien tankless water heaters are known for their efficiency and reliability, but like any appliance, they can experience common issues that homeowners should be aware of. The most frustrating problem is when you have no hot water at all. This issue can stem from several different causes that we need to check systematically. First, check if the circuit breaker has tripped. Tankless water heaters require significant electrical power, and breakers can trip during power surges or electrical issues. Second, ensure the gas valve is fully open. A partially closed or completely closed gas valve will prevent the unit from heating water properly. Third, check your water pressure. Insufficient water pressure can prevent the unit from activating, as tankless heaters require minimum flow rates to operate. Finally, inspect the inlet filter for clogs. Sediment and debris can block water flow, preventing proper operation of the heating system. Now let's look at error codes, which are the unit's way of communicating specific problems to help with diagnosis. Error codes appear on the digital display and indicate specific malfunctions. Two of the most common codes you'll encounter are error 001 and error E003. Error code 001 signals low water flow. This means the water flow rate is below the minimum threshold required for the unit to operate safely and efficiently. Error code E003 indicates ignition failure. This means the unit is unable to light the gas burner, which could be due to gas supply issues or ignition system problems. The third common issue is unusual noise coming from the unit, which can indicate several different mechanical problems. A noisy tankless water heater is not normal and usually indicates a mechanical issue that needs attention. Loose parts inside the unit can create rattling or vibrating sounds. These should be tightened by a qualified technician to prevent further damage. Waterline vacuum issues can cause gurgling or sucking sounds. This often indicates problems with the venting system or water flow dynamics. A defective pressure relief valve can cause whistling or hissing sounds. This safety component should be inspected and replaced if necessary. Addressing these common problems promptly can prevent further damage and ensure your Navien tankless water heater continues to provide consistent hot water supply for your home. When your Navien tankless water heater isn't working properly, start with these basic troubleshooting steps. These simple checks can resolve most common issues. Now let's look at specific error codes and their solutions. Understanding these codes helps you quickly identify and fix problems. Error code E003 indicates ignition failure. This is typically caused by gas supply issues. Always ensure your main gas supply valve is fully open. Regular maintenance is crucial for optimal performance and longevity. Follow this maintenance schedule to keep your Navien unit running efficiently. Professional installation is essential to maintain your warranty. For homes with hard water, consider installing a water inlet filter to improve performance and reduce mineral buildup. Always prioritize safety when troubleshooting. If you're unsure about any repair or maintenance task, consult a qualified technician. Proper maintenance and professional service ensure safe, efficient operation for years to come.